Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the vibration damper in your front-load washer, be sure to unplug the power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the appliance away from the wall. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit, unthread the rear screws securing the top panel. Remove the panel. Next, you can unthread the screws securing the vibration damper. Remove the old damper. Install the new vibration damper by positioning it on the support and securing it with the screws. Realign the top panel and secure it with the screws at the rear. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in, and your front-load washer should be ready for use.